Today, we're comparing the all-new 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc with its predecessor, the compact SUV that became Europe's best seller. The 2026 model marks a bold leap forward in design, technology, and space. When you look at the new T-Roc, you can immediately tell it's an evolution, not a revolution. The coupe-like silhouette and the signature hockey stick chrome line on the roof are still there, but everything else is sharper, cleaner, and more premium. Starting with the front end, this is where the biggest transformation is visible. The old T-Roc had a more playful look. It had those circular fog lights integrated into the bumper, and a grille that was a bit simpler in design. The headlights were classic Volkswagen, but they didn't have that sense of connection across the front. Now, look at the 2026 model. Volkswagen has completely embraced its modern design language. The new T-Roc features slimmer LED headlights that are seamlessly integrated into a much wider, more imposing front grille. In top-spec models, a full-width LED light bar runs across the grille, connecting the headlights and illuminating the central Volkswagen logo. This is a signature feature you'll find on Volkswagen's higher-end models, and it gives the new T-Roc a sophisticated, high-tech presence on the road. Moving to the side profile, the changes are subtle but significant. The new T-Roc is 12.2 centimeters longer, and its wheelbase has grown by almost 3 centimeters. This gives it better proportions and a more planted stance. The body surfaces are now more sculpted and cleaner, with fewer creases. The wheel arches are more prominent, and you can now get wheels up to 20 inches in diameter, which just adds to that commanding presence. At the back, the story is similar to the front. The old T-Roc had conventional taillights that did their job, but the new one is far more expressive. The new LED taillights are also connected by a continuous light bar, just like the front. This design choice, which is becoming a hallmark of modern Volkswagens, makes the car look wider and more substantial. The rear bumper has also been redesigned to be more athletic, completing a look that is both modern and instantly recognizable as a T-Roc. If the exterior is an evolution, the interior is a full-blown revolution.
Volkswagen heard the feedback about the previous T-Roc's cabin, and they've completely transformed the experience. The old T-Roc's interior was functional, but it used a lot of hard, scratchy plastics.
It was built for a purpose, but it wasn't luxurious. Step inside the new 2026 T-Roc, and you'll immediately notice a massive upgrade in material quality.
The dashboard is now covered in a soft, newly developed fabric, and you'll find higher quality soft-touch surfaces everywhere you look. Perforated leatherette surfaces with integrated ambient lighting create a lounge-like atmosphere, a feature you'd typically find in premium cars.
The biggest visual change is the new digital cockpit. The old T-Roc had a digital display, but the new model takes things to another level. The central infotainment screen, which is now a freestanding tablet-style unit, can measure up to 33 centimeters across.
This screen runs the very latest Volkswagen infotainment software, which is faster and more intuitive than ever before. It's a massive leap forward in usability and look.
Below the screen, you'll find that Volkswagen has, for the most part, gotten rid of the physical climate controls in favor of touch-sensitive sliders.
While some drivers still prefer physical buttons, the new layout is cleaner and more minimalist, bringing the T-Roc in line with other modern Volkswagen and even ID models.
But the tech upgrades don't stop there. The new T-Roc gets a host of features from its bigger siblings, the Tiguan and T-Roc. For the first time in this model, you can get an optional head-up display, which projects vital information like your speed and navigation directly onto the windscreen.
You can also get ergo-active seats with a 14-way adjustment and massage function, making even the longest journeys comfortable.
The increase in exterior dimensions also translates to more space inside. The cabin is roomier, and even tall passengers will find plenty of legroom in the back. The boot space has also grown by 30 liters to a more practical 475 liters, making it more family-friendly and better equipped for road trips.